Donner.
Sexual thing.
Yeah, this is Starr. So they were, initially he was putting a lot of pressure on her and she corrected him, which he took. He took her corrections beautifully. And now they're slowing it up a little bit. There you go. Maybe they all just needed a drink. Yeah, good girl, Starr.
You want his water? You want his water? Okay.
We did have him in with Zorro a little while ago, but Zorro was like too playful and bouncy, and so we moved Zorro out to try Starr.
Okay, girl. Lie down, baby.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you, baby.
Uh-oh, don't hump. She corrected him for humping, which he did take, so that was good.
He wants the ice.
Oh, you're trying to get the ice, honey? Hi. Gotcha. Oh, there is a chunk of ice in there. How funny. See if you can figure it out. It's trying to eat it. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. Come on, Mama. Oh, that was pretty good. He tried to, I think it's out, isn't it? Yeah, he doesn't know. Come here, Mama. Good girl.
What is that? You got it. You got it.
Good job, buddy.
Baby.